Hey, so this monkey came, uh, got into the house from the back, and I found it there. So it had refused to leave. So I had to give it bread. I think it was hungry, so I had to give it the bread for it to eat. So it sat there. It was eating calmly with no hurry as I watched. I think they're just used to coming this place, so we've gotten used to them. They come. If you have something, give it to them. Because right now, there are no ready foods in the shambas around here, in the farms around here. So now they come. If you leave your door open, they'll get in and take anything they come across. So you just have to feed them. They're part of the ecosystem. So you just have to take care of them whenever they appear. At least you take care of them. They make we coexist, right? We coexist with them. So what else can you do? And it's also a nice adventure with them around. Yeah. So that is it. And some people normally chase them away, but when they come and they see you are friendly to them, they just stay. They won't get aggressive with you. So how you treat them is the way they'll treat you. Yeah.